going to show you how I do my hair. In my last few videos, I did this style, and many of my viewers have been asking how I do this, and some commented they look like an extension, and some said, oh, they look so beautiful. And so I thought, let me share. Not just to show that I'm not wearing extension, it's just that if someone can learn from my video, because I'm not a glamour person, so I just do like a simple stuff that I like, and I just try to keep it simple. Most of the time I keep my hair tied up, and I do not use hot products much on my hair because I don't want to ruin my hair too much. So I usually prefer to have my hair usually up, and so I don't have to do any special style. Or sometimes I just do ponytail, and sometimes I feel like getting ready nicely, so it depends on my mood. So let's get started to do this kind of a hairstyle. It's easy. It looks like I have put a lot of effort in it, but it's easy. All you have to have is a flat iron like this with a round outside. So naturally I have this curly hair. So the first step is to divide your hair into like about 2 sections, or you can make 4 sections. I usually do from the middle, and then again make a section of 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom. So here I have this section up here, which I'm going to spray with a heat protector. It's a good idea to use a heat protector. And then just comb your hair lightly, like so. Take a small section of your hair and then curl in the opposite direction away from your face so that it doesn't keep on bothering you. So as you can see, the curl. So the straight from the root and at the end curled up. I always like my hair like that, so that's my style most likely when I have a longer hair like this. I mean, these are not that long hair. I actually had longer hair than this in the past, but I just keep on cutting every year. So just keep on finishing, and then the finished curled hair you can just bring it on the other side, so as you can see here. And so I'm going to quickly now take a little section of the hair and just keep on doing the same thing basically, like so. And as you can see, I have done with the straightener. Only the ends curly and the rest is straight from the top, and only the ends curled up like so. So finally I'm done one side, as you can see. I still have one upper section left to do. I'm so reluctant to style my hair because I have a lot of hair and it takes a lot of time whenever I want to do any style. But this is this straightener makes it easier for me to curl and straighten hair at the same time. So as you can see, looking good so far. And it's kind of funny that in some of my video when I did this style, some of the people say that I'm wearing extension. I do not need any extension because I already have a good amount of hair. So as you can see so far, it looks like this. So now I keep the hair on one side and bring this section of hair. Before that, don't forget to apply the heat protector away from your eyes and comb and follow the same thing. I usually tie up my hair because most of the time in most of the videos I'm just cooking, and I don't like my hair open like this when I'm cooking, so I always keep them tied up, or at least ponytail, whatever it looks good on that day. But lately I have been enjoying this style because it doesn't take much of my time and I can do quickly even in the morning. So when I want to finish this side, I bring the hair in the front and then just follow the same instructions, but just to do in the other direction now. Sometimes it gets a little confusing and a little hard. Just remember one thing, just away from your face, and then it works good. So when you do this side, you do like in this direction. When you do on this side, this direction. Easy. So I'm going to finish the rest now. Very little amount left for me to do. Alright, so now I'm done with all my hair. So now you can see it at the back. And then in the front you can just keep it straight anyhow you like. Today I have a split in the middle, but I usually do on the side. So you can just bring it on the side. And then split it. If you just want your hair away from your face, then again like follow the same thing, like bring it away from your face like this, like so. So then you got your hair ready, and now you can just do however you like. You can, I usually split on both sides like this, and then I have some of my hair at the back, or you can just simply take all the front bangs, whatever you have, and then just simply make the puff and secure with the bobby pin like so. And then you can just take the hair in the front like so. And this is the usual style that you might have seen me in many videos. Or sometimes I just make a ponytail. Ponytail also looks good when you curl the hair like this. So as you can see, the ponytail. So now ready to go into the kitchen. So now you can do the party look style in no time. And finally use another mirror to make sure you have curled properly and you don't have those curls on top like I have right now. So I'll have to fix this area. But other than that, everything looks just fine. And by the way, I have a layer cut, and that's the reason it looks better on when I do like the curl. So you can just have a layer cut for this kind of a style. And this hairstyle stays great until the next shampoo. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please do not ask me to do any other beauty videos or the hairstyle video because I'm very bad at it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.